Sige, let's start.
Random lang, random.
1, 2, 3, go. Jack, Kim, Pop.
Okay, I'm ready. So, since elementary days, I've been so grateful to have you as Since elementary days, I've been so grateful to have you as my friend, as my classmate, and we really weren't that close when we were grade 5. Pretty close, right? Grade 5. Alright, we weren't really that close since I was more on the group of someone else, which I believe is quite toxic. So I think I've experienced so much things before meeting you. That's why I feel really happy that I met you and it changed the perspectives of my life. I experienced different stuffs while we were in the pandemic, and so many years that we haven't met yet. Someone was like, come here. And then until we met when you were getting Sky, right? Punta, and then that was the first time that we met, and then we were in a hurry because I didn't see you until nato sa gate sa Juan Jude. Oh, yeah, I was waiting for all. and then until today, I'm very happy to have you as a friend. Just what I said, and then I hope that we're still together until we became successful and grateful of our own lives. Thank you very much. Next, explain how you met Mary.
Hi, Nari. This experience has been very, very fun, and I hope that you will be successful. And this is still my first time, so don't know what to say. Basta, I hope you're happy and happy birthday. I hope you enjoy the book I bought you. That's all.
Amen.
Grace.
Oh my God, our friendship started because of a song that we sang earlier. Okay, okay na po. Ay, sa Manila ba? You are my favorite.
No!
Muli na lang.
That's why you know that and
Ato siya kong Jesus.
hoping that we will still be friends
Dili na kami
until we became successful in life. And I hope you the happiest birthday and more birthdays to come. And more books to read.
I did not know that tears have been spilled. Ano ako naka-reflect nga yan. Nag-favoritism.
Happy birthday to
Mami na ako sa
Ano na nagigusok nila?
Wala.
Birthday, thank you. Ikaw na sa akong ulit ko.
Oh my God. Bye. Monday was akong birthday, ha?
Kada birthday, paborito.
Okay, next to. Di-practice namin ang mag days, hours, and minutes. Seconds.
Naya sila.
Dito ha, balong dito. Dito ha. Dito ha.
Sige.
Speakers dito.
Three, go.
Wala may music. Nera sa music ner. Nanayaw na lang noon sila may music. Hoy, humana sila ate, humana sila message ikaw na sad.
Ay, sorry.
Oh, ayaw sa. Si ate mag-message.
Ako na may favoritism. Dali.
Kung man nag-meet sa na i-repeat performance.
For our place.
Sige.
Please, other
Okay, ikay message kay humana sila oh.
Ay,
Humana
sabi ko
sila.
kasi na si favoritism.
May nasad may nakabarkada kag mga alikre.
Bitaw.
Okay na, let's go. Kapila na ni
Si Kuya.
Don't worry. worry, I'm not listening.
Isa kita crush. Wala yaw.
Wala cheese,
wala
no
man.
cheese.
No cheese.
Ay, cheese sa kanya.
Di na ako matak.
Papuyo. I'm
Asa
very
makita ko?
happy. Yeah.
Di ba yung klaro ate? Ate, dili dyan klaro.
Explain your life in 5 words. Di na. May, words yun na may.
Ikaw naman na, ka nag-summarize.
Ay, sige, tas ko conclusion diretso. Sige, let's go.
I'm very happy na you're able to come and celebrate my birthday with me. And
Then, okay. Ano ka, reference right hand. Then,
who is your favorite?
how much?
Oo, di ba?
Si Lord?
Siya daw eh.
Sige. Self-love dito. Okay,
Self-love. Hashtag.
Sige, next. Another
Hashtag never
sentence,
look
please.
back.
What can you say about the plants that is no, very...
Ikaw ni Kaan, ni Tita Kaan.
Yeah. What can you say about your day?
It's very enjoyable. And I'm happy.
Balik-balik lagi. Sige na, na-rain.
Kasi pinakamay mo kaldag.
Ako na na.
Of course, Anne.
Ako.
Example.
Sample.
Dili. So, kisama.
Sample, ikaw.
No. Okay, favorite ako.
Sample. Sample. Bilang ako sa galaw.
Later na. Sige, next. Another sentence about the cake.
Lumi.
Correct, so na.
Di ka sweet, ganin ha.
Gamay ra.
Yakaran kay hi na ka.
Hi na po.
Hi na kaniya.
Usa pa'y lain ate, uy.
Oh,
Usa pa'y lain.
may parang I'm very happy, enjoyable.
Ganun lain,
Ano, Bikis?
Usa pa'y lain.
Mao man. Speechless.
You're speechless, di ay.
Oh, nasa TV.
Ay, mag-dance performance na basta mga tanong di ko ni sa private kasi
So,
favorite.
ako na i-play ang song.
Opo.
Ito mo balik sa TikTok.
Ay, mapil sa sinarin. Uy, lain sa kaayo. Ang kuan ro. Dawa na.
Kaya ba, advertise mo.
Sponsored by Greenwich.
Ano, taas mo mga kayo.
Sige, sige ate. Apil.
Chorus po.
Lagi.
Chorus kaya.
Classmate na niya pag elementary. Classmate niya pag elementary.
First time na ko nga nakakita nga ni sayaw siya. Di man jud mo sayaw si ate. Tanaw na to. Sayaw na ate, bahala na mo apil jud ka. Tanaw ko. Nadala jud no ni musayaw gyud na ron taod-taod. Alangan nanayaw gud iyang mga friend.
Si Generate ka ba?
Uy, what the best?
Bitaw, oo.
Made you look.
I made you look.
Mo.
Yeah, nag-send na TikTok.
Oh, kita bitaw ko ato.
Oh, ganda ka ito, te.
Iya, gipakita nako mo to.
I made you look. Gana, I'm Megan Trainer. Gana. Ay, ako, bro. Kita ako, bro. Yay.
Sige.
Sige, di sa wakil. Santa Jesus.
Correct.
Ah, kalim.
Ay, guwawa.
Saan na dapat sa kanta?
First, ikaw.
Imo.
Diara wa jud ko namilok ko, di ba? Nakita jud. Mao ning resulta sa kita na og TikTok na memorize na di ay asa ka ni siya nagpractice. Asa ka ni naliwat. Nera sa ka ni naliwat imong anak ko, di ba? Oh, na siya iyahang ganahan niya. Wa jud ko kita ni. Nani tinaguan. Pasensya na giputol-putol na ko para dili ta ma-copyright. Ginagmay lang akong gipadungog sa inyo ha. Sayang bitaw Nya usaon man kinahanglan man na music di man sad man yung way music. First time jud ning ni ari iyahang mga friend ni ate mo din ni iyahang classmate pag elementary guys. Nakinumdum mo last year bagyo no paghuman jud pero tingit-ngita namo niya ang akong gipablow sa iya ha kandol ra to niya ningon niya ang papa nga mubawi ra next year so wala minasayop among gibawi karon amo siya giingnan nga birthday man nimo ate so pwede ka mo invite sa imong friend ni-invite siya mauni nga friend iyang gi-invite
Asa ang?
Wala mo ni Dan. Si Dan mo?
Mana? Okay, tang awag bisiki kasi.
Ha, joke. Namay witness.
Kaya title.
Wala. Wet the bed.
Ha?
Kaldag.
Kaldag?
Appreciate the LDA.
message nako ni mo ate sa imong birthday. First pasalamat ko sa Ginoo sa good health, another birthday, maayo ang panahon, niduyog jud, unya nakasimba ka, nakadagkot ka. Thank you kaayo God sa imong gihatag. Unya hatagan pa kag daghang birthday sa Ginoo, unya successful ka. Unya pray lang jud ate, ayaw kalimot always nga musangpit kaniya. Kung unsa man ang mahitabo, always pray para ka mag-guide niya. Unya, salamat sa imong pagka-responsable nga anak. Padayon lang gyud, eskwela lang gyud unya. Basta nga atong role ha, ayaw kalimti balay ug eskwela. Pasalamat ka permi sa Ginoo ate unya. Salamat sa imong pagka-responsable nga anak, nga ate sa imong mga igsuon. Thank you, Lord. So, mao na to. Bye-bye. Thank you sa pagtan-aw.